Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Facebook ads step by step clearly. To register for Facebook ads, start by visiting the Facebook homepage. Log into your personal Facebook account using your credentials. If you don't have a Facebook account, create one by clicking on Create New Account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your Facebook page. Click on the downward-facing arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Ads. You will be directed to the Ads Manager interface. If this is your first time accessing Ads Manager, you may be prompted to set up an ad account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your ad account. You will need to provide information such as your country and currency. Choose your time zone to help manage your ads effectively. After entering the required information, click on Continue. Next, set up your payment method by clicking on Payment Settings. Add a credit or debit. Once you've added your payment method, save your changes. Now, return to the Ads Manager main page to start creating your first ad. Click on the green Create button to begin the ad creation process. Choose your marketing objective from the provided options. Fill in the necessary details for your ad campaign. Define your target audience based on location, age, and interests. Select your ad placements, or opt for automatic placements for broader reach. Set your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Review your ad settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click on the Publish button to submit your ad. Your ad will go through a review process before it is published. Monitor the performance of your ad through the Ads Manager dashboard. Adjust your campaign settings as needed for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.